Expert definition, expert in a sentence, expert pronunciation, expert meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of expert. Expert. Ex-pert. Expert. Expert as a noun means a person that has a comprehensive knowledge about a topic. Common usages in academic writing: a financial expert, an industry expert, an expert in the field. Example sentences: expert, noun. We need to bring in an expert to deal with this problem. Example sentence number 2: most medical experts believe that breastfeeding is better than bottle feeding. The common academic writing variation is expertise, noun. Her technical expertise was needed to write the base code for our program. Please write a sentence using expert in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know expert's pronunciation, expert's meaning, and how to use expert in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.